What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be playing Animal Company and getting over $15,000 and showing you the easiest way to get over $15,000. And also, I'm one more subscriber away from 40.
Yeah.
And at 50 subscribers, I'll do a live stream with Zopo VR right here, and whatever game he wants to play. So let's get started in this video. Let's go! Okay, so we already have our drip on, so ready to go.
Or should I? No. I need to equip my drip. Let me equip my whale drip.
And that booty on a drip.
Y'all want to see my whale drip? This is my whale drip. This is my whale drip.
Okay, guys. Rate his drip 1 out of 10 in the comment section below. Let's go.
No. Wait, this drip. This is a better drip. Okay, let's go. I'm ready.
Okay, that's way better drip. Okay, so let's get started. Where did you go?
Hello. I don't like cheese touch. Cheese touch is stinky. It's annoying.
Well, you're gonna get stinky cheese touch.
Did they? Wait.
Come here.
Is this sewers or is this haunted mansion?
That's
the question.
It's haunted mansion. It's still haunted mansion. Make that booty drip drip. Make that booty drip drip. Alright. Where'd you go? How did you die? How did you die? Bro, how did you die? Bro, how? Yo, what's up, man? Hello, Zeke? Zeke? Can you hear me?
I'm coming, just a minute.
Okay. Oh, I see your grappler and your light.
Just give my grappler and my book bag and my pickaxe token.
Okay. I have no clue where your pickaxe is, but come here. No, Zeke, come here. Come here. Oh.
I need my pickaxe, my grappler.
Zeke, here you go.
Where's my grappler?
Right there!
I hate Animal Company now.
Just come back.
Can you give my grapple?
Yeah, sure.
It's on the ceiling word.
Are you coming back? What?
I died again.
I died too because Oga threw a big back rock at me. So grappler. Pickaxe. Book bag. Flashlight. See, come back. I have all our items back at thingy. Make that booty drip drip. Hello, Zeke, are you there? What? No.
Bro, come down. I already have all my stuff back.
What? Well.
including your grappler.
Oh, come. Like, including my grappler. Well, get out. You can have that grappler. I'm gonna put my stuff right there.
You coming down?
Yeah, hold on. Let's put this on. On. Let's go. Oh, come on. This is why.
Bro, where are you?
I'm coming right now. I had to put some stuff in my storage because, yeah. Make that booty drip.
Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. There you go.
What? Oh, thanks.
I got you, grappler.
Make that booty drip, drip. Did you? I was about to say, did you die again?
If I did, I was gonna be so mad, bro.
Yeah. Oh God. Okay.
I'm here.
Okay.
Are we doing the Wi-Fi glitch?
Yeah.
Turn off your light! Turn off your light! Turn off your light! Turn off your light! Holy
Okay,
crap,
guys,
bro,
I'm gonna end the
scared.
video. We're gonna do the Wi-Fi glitch, and then I'm gonna start the video back. Bye.
Right in front of me. Oh my
Okay,
gosh,
we
bro.
just did the Wi-Fi glitch. So, back.
Bro, look at how many there are!
There's a lot. We're gonna get like stacked today, boys. Bro, let me get some. Last time you, bro, let me get this one, cause last time you didn't give me any. Okay, I got one, guys. You finally gave me something. Okay, let's go ahead. These are mine. Ow.
These are not yours!
These little pop-up things. Ah! No, go away. Okay. Okay, I have half a bag. Get away.
We need more blue. If we would have been more lucky with more blue.
Let's go up here, and I'm gonna go look for some more. Oh, my not dead yet. Okay, I'm gonna go down. Wish me luck, guys. Go, 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 go. la. Okay, let's go.
It's kind of hard to. Here, can you put this in your book bag? My book bag's full. 3, 2, 1, whee!
Oh, I can't move. I can't move. Yeah.
You think you can't move? My book bag's full.
My book bag's full too. Oh god. Come on, bro, I'm so big. Gravity couldn't even take me up. I was so fat, bro. Yeah.
So hard to move.
Yeah. Oh god.
Let's both put our book bags in there. Let's see how much it's worth.
Oh, I'm big boy. I'm big boy. Let's see how much we get. Let's see how much we get. Ooh. 10K, baby.
10,000.
Let's go for round 2.
Wait, we're doing another one?
Yep.
Holy crap, that's good. Why?
Okay, we gotta join a different server. So,
Oh, okay.
you join a different server and I'll join back.
Okay. Just join me.
Okay. Meow. Okay, let's go back to Zeke. Friends. It's time. Mr. Hink. There we go. Let's go. There we go. You're back. Back again. Let's get
Yes,
our
he's back.
backpacks. Okay.
I like mine. Baba Bingo!
Oh god. Okay, let's go.
Let me get. No, wait, no, I'm not ready.
I got free shoot.
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
This time, don't die so many times, Trey, okay?
Oh, okay.
You got that?
You died 4 times, okay, but
You got that? Okay, good.
yeah, bro, my foot hurts so bad right now. Woo! Did you just? Okay, good. Ready? Let's go. I got something that does. Where'd you go? Don't know what you want. Oh, okay, he went over here. Let's go. Ah,
Turn your light off.
okay.
I'm doing a Wi-Fi
guys.
glitch.
We're gonna do the Wi-Fi glitch, so we'll be right back. Okay, we just did the Wi-Fi glitch again. Oh, we got a lot more. Woo! This is heaven, boy. Oh my god. Go ahead and some of these. Let's mine all these before we grab them. So that we don't have to switching. Oh. got so many pop-ups because they got hit so many times.
Bro, same.
Oh god.
Let's go. You want to parents? I got you.
Okay. Let's go. Oh. Oh, it's up there. Oh, let's
We
go.
didn't get as much stuff this time. I
I got a
There's
whole
not
book
as much
bag.
stuff.
Huh.
I didn't.
Let's
There's not that much stuff.
go.
So we're not gonna get as more.
Let's go.
It's not gonna be more than 10,000. I'll tell you that.
I
right now.
think it's gonna be like 9K. 8K, okay. Let's go
Oh,
round
I
3.
I did not realize they changed this.
Yeah. Let's do round 3.
I'm not doing a round 3. I am not doing that. I'm getting off.
Okay.
If we do a round
Well,
3, bro.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Subscribe. One more subscriber. Let's go. Peace. Or how do you make the
You want bread?
peace?
Let's go.
Promise that you'll catch me